Dancehall Spice Lifestyle, Music Career and Net Worth. Grace Latoya Hamilton, born August 6, 1982, known professionally as Spice, is a Jamaican dancehall DJ and singer. Known as the Queen of Dancehall, Spice is recognized as one of the most prominent dancehall artists in the world. She is known for her aggressive flow, musical versatility, and outspoken lyrics. Spice first gained recognition after performing at the annual dancehall festival, Sting, in 2000. She released her first single "Jo Complain" for record producer Dave Kelly's Madhouse Records in 2003. She continued to release the singles "E Right There" and "E Hype", even being featured on songs with Jimmy Cliff and Beenie Man in 2004 and 2006, respectively. Spice had her first major success with the controversial single Romping Shop with Vybz Kartel in 2009. She subsequently signed with VP Records and released her debut EP, So Me Like It, 2014, which was preceded by a single of the same name. During the 2016 MOBO Awards, Spice became the first woman dancehall artist to ever be nominated for Best Reggae Act, as well as the only woman to be nominated for the category overall. She appeared as a regular cast member on VH1's reality television series Love and Hip Hop, Atlanta, which depicts her pursuit of reaching an international level in her music career and juggling her professional life with her personal life. Spice's first full-length project, a mixtape titled Captured, 2018, was released independently and debuted at #1 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Her long-delayed debut studio album, 10, 2021, was nominated for Best Reggae Album at the 64th Grammy Awards in 2022. Following her departure from VP, she independently released her second studio album, Emancipated, 2022, under her own label, Spice Official Entertainment, from which she also released the deluxe version of her 2022 album in September 2023. Spice has a net worth of approximately $2 million. Personal life. In 2009, Spice became engaged to her boyfriend Nicholas Lawal, whom she had been dating since 2006. The couple called off the engagement and ended their relationship in 2016. They have 2 children, a son born in 2007, and a daughter born in 2011. In 2020, Spice began dating American cinematographer Justin Budd, whom she met in Atlanta. The couple ended their relationship in 2022. In 2016, Spice launched a back-to-school sponsorship competition via Instagram. Fans were asked to remix one of Spice's songs in an educational way for a chance to earn an all-expense-paid scholarship. The scholarship included fully paid tuition, a fully covered book list, uniforms, and school supplies. The winner was selected based on the highest number of likes for the remix. In 2018, Spice founded the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation, GHWEF, which aims to enrich women through education, business, and entrepreneurship. In August 2019, Spice hosted a back-to-school giveaway in Kingston through the foundation, providing school supplies to more than 500 children. Early life. Grace Latoya Hamilton was born on August 6, 1982, in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica, and raised in Portmore. Her father died when she was 9 years old. As a child, she used to attend her church regularly and lead the choir. She spent part of her childhood living with her grandparents in Finsbury Park, London, where she also attended school before returning to Jamaica. While a student at St. Catherine High School, she frequently participated in the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC Festival in the music category, and earned several medals throughout the years. Although she wanted to become a chartered accountant, she decided to pursue a music career. Following that, she enrolled at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts to study music and drama. She then began experimenting with dancehall music and soon after generated interest in her community and its environs with her DJing abilities at local stage shows. Career. Spice made her debut when she was given the opportunity to perform at the annual dancehall festival, Sting, in 2000. It was her first major appearance on a stage show, where she earned several encores from the crowd. During this early stage of her career, Spice went on to gain a reputation for her performing abilities, despite not having a hit record. In late 2008, Spice collaborated with fellow dancehall artist Vybz Kartel on the single Romping Shop, which samples Miss Independent by Neo. The song quickly achieved international recognition, receiving immense rotation on mainstream urban stations in the US. A Romping Shop spent 15 weeks on the Billboard Hot R&B/Hip Hop Songs chart, peaking at number 76. In April 2013, Spice released her first project as a producer, The Gal Click Rhythm, featuring some of her fellow female dancehall artists. In September, she collaborated with dancehall artist Alkaline on the song Only Ting Me Want. She gained further recognition with her song You So Me Like It, which was released later that year. The accompanying music video, released in January 2014, became the most viewed music video by a female Jamaican artist on YouTube, having over 114 million views as of 2023. In April 2017, Spice released the single Sheet. In June, she appeared on a remix of Jax Jones's You Don't Know Me. In August, she was featured alongside Sean Kingston and Lady Lesher on Charlie Sloth's I Can Do from his album The Plug. After making a guest appearance in Season 6 of VH1's reality TV show Love and Hip Hop, Atlanta, Spice joined the show as a regular cast member in Season 7. In March 2020, Spice announced the release of her debut studio album, which was executively produced by Shaggy. Its lead single, Ya Friends G, was released to streaming platforms on December 18, 2020. Go Down Dej, featuring Shaggy and Sean Paul, was released as the album's second lead single on April 30, 2021. Spice was featured on the song Ye Wow on Masika's second studio album Generation of Kings in December 2023. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to get more information on dancehall celebrities.